Hello everyone, Cece here and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for joining me once again here on Simply Clean. Today in this video, we are going to be just doing a quick cleaning. The house is not a mess. We're just going to be tidying up because I have some Christmas presents I want to wrap, and I wanted to share a little tips with you guys on how I wrap my gifts and make them look all extra festive. So if you're interested in that, please keep on watching. And also, if you are new to my channel and it's your first time here, hello, how are you doing? Please let me know that you're here down in the comment section below. I am Cece, and on my channel, I like to focus on cleaning motivation, home decor, home DIY projects, and decor hauls. All of those good things. So if you enjoy any of those things, please be sure to like the video, subscribe to your girl's channel, and make sure to hit the notification bell so that you do not miss any of my uploads, and you will be notified each and every time I upload. And so without further ado, let me get off of here and let you guys enjoy the video. If you are still with me, make sure to hit that like button right now, you guys. If you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe. Send me a comment. Your likes, your comments, and your shares really help my channel. It'll help me grow. As you can see, I'm very tiny, so all of you guys' support is greatly appreciated. So if you haven't already, be sure to like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and I will talk to you all in the next one. Bye. We are on to the present wrapping portion of this video. I am starting with the presents already wrapped in the paper because, again, these are gifts for my family and they do watch my videos, so I didn't want to give away the gifts that I got, so that is why I had to wrap them before. But I wanted to come on and show you guys how I make them festive and add little accessories to it to make the gifts look really, really pretty. I'm a person who absolutely loves giving gifts, and one of the big things that I enjoy, especially at Christmas time, is the way the gift looks before they open it. I think it's part of the treat. So what I do is I buy all this ribbon. As you can see, it can be expensive or it adds up, and I buy it at the end of the holiday season. And how I wrap it is I will find wherever I want the bow to place in the front. So on this particular present, I wanted the bow to be centered, but on other presents, as you'll see as we keep going, I may off center it or put it in the top corner, anywhere, top center, whatever. Wherever I decide that I want to do that, I'm going to tape the ribbon in the front in that area. And I will tape down the ribbons first, as you can see that I've done with the green festive ribbon, and then now I'm doing the same with the silver ribbon, and I'm going to just tape them in the same area, spacing it just to make it look aesthetic. The order that I do this is ribbon first, tags next, and then the bows. That is the order that I do it, and it just helps to make sure that the name tag can be seen and you have a place to kind of hide it up under the bows. But this is what I do. I hope that you guys can see what I'm doing in this. I'm not going to babble on too long because it's hard to explain. That's why I'm showing it to you. But ever since I've always wrapped presents like this, I just think that it just makes them look really, really pretty. You can, of course, leave them wrapped like they were before I added the ribbon and just add your bows, but it's just a little too simple for me, and I like to just make it look really, really pretty. So that is what I'm doing. I hope you guys enjoy this. Please let me know down in the comment section if this was helpful at all as you keep watching this, and let me know if you guys are going to take some of these tips and tricks. I'm doing some of the old school things like using my scissors to curl up the ribbon, just stuff that we learned in arts and crafts as children. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let me know again, like I said, if this was helpful. Thank you guys for joining me again on my channel. I love doing these videos, and I'm sorry that I've been spaced out a lot. The holiday season has been very, very busy. I got a lot going on, and depending on how things go, I will be sharing some of that good news with you guys at the beginning of the year. So if I don't have another video up for you guys before the Christmas season is over, I want to tell you all Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and I pray that you guys are blessed and that you enjoy your family. I know that this is a different holiday we're living in with the pandemic and everything, so I pray that you guys are staying safe and that you guys are just finding the blessing in the midst of this uncertainty that we are living in. I'm a believer, and I know that God is good and all things happen for a reason. So I hope that you guys can find that reason in the midst of this time that we're living in. As always, you guys, thank you for joining me, and I'm, like the saying goes, cleanliness is next to godliness. Stay blessed, you guys, and I will talk to y'all in the next one. Bye.